Hi Maria, that's a really great question. I'm going to show you a couple different EBSCO databases that can help you look for information and scholarly resources on your topic. So I'm right here in that research guide that I gave you a link to, and I'm going to go right into this article databases tab at the top. And if you scroll down, I've put links to a couple of EBSCO databases that can be helpful for searching for your research papers. And the two that I'm going to recommend you take a look at are this ERIC and Professional Development Collection in one search link, and Psych Articles and Psych Info in one search. So both our education databases in EBSCO and our psychology databases in EBSCO may be helpful for your research. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate the ERIC and Professional Development Collection. If you click on that, you can go in, it takes you to the search field, and you can go ahead and put your search term in there. I'm going to put quotation marks around it, and that just tells EBSCO to make sure to search for that exact phrase somewhere in the article. I'm also going to click on that full text box, and that just reminds EBSCO to only show articles that we have the whole text of. So I'm going to go ahead and just hit search. And that brings up a pretty good number, about 12 different articles right here. You have an article as old as 1985. If you want to look at more recent research, you can use this scroll bar right down here. You can also click here to limit just to scholarly or peer-reviewed journal articles. So you can do that as well to narrow your search. Now we're looking at just 5 results coming up, and it should give you a little summary of each of the articles, and you can click on the article to find the full text. Okay, let me head back. Using the back bar to our research guide. And the other one you can take a look at is Psych Articles and Psych Info. It's going to look very similar. It's also in EBSCO. You can put your same search term in there, hit the full text button, and this time it'll bring up scholarly articles from psychology journals. So we've got about 3 articles coming up. Hopefully you can find some good sources in there. You can also play around with your search. So if you're not finding a lot, you can take out this function. I just dropped my camera. And just try doing a search for sensory integration and see what comes up as well. I hope that's helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions.